Hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. Today I will show you how to make simple tomato soup. First, we will need some oil. Put in the pot. So you will need 1 tomato. If you love to cook more, you extra more. I cook 1 tomato today, 1 garlic, and some purple onion. I have some green onion from my garden. I'm so excited. I have some cilantro, 1 egg. Oh, also I have some tofu. If you love tofu, just add tofu inside. I have some sesame oil. I have some black pepper, sugar, seasoning, chicken seasoning, and salt. If you love this salt, you can put some inside. That's it for tomato soup. See, simple. So you will put some garlic and purple onion. You saute until it smells super good. I always like the smell of onion and garlic. Also, let me see. Also, you can, when you saute onion and garlic until light brown, you put the tomato inside and you saute tomato a little bit before you add the water inside. So, it smells so good. Today I found some small purple onions. Oh, smell amazing. So I will cut some tofu. Let's see. Cut some tofu. Also, you can, if you love mushroom, some bok choy, you can put inside too. I think it's perfect, but I don't have anything, so I just have tomato. Oh, it smells so good. Also, when you rub the egg inside the soup, you can put some sesame oil. Also, the tomato you just dye like this. Put the tie here. Look, my onion already good. Look, my onion. Now I will put tomato inside, so we can saute tomato a little bit. Smells amazing. Saute tomato a little bit. Let me save this onion for the next video. So after saute tomato, you can put the 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Also a little bit black pepper. And now we put the water inside. And then let me put the tofu inside too. That cup, and then when the soup boil, we will put egg inside. So now my soup boil, I will put the egg inside. Before I put the egg, you can rock it, and then the chopstick, you just slowly. Just slowly. We are almost done. And now you just rub some sesame oil. And then we put some green onion, some cilantro, and then we turn up the heat. So now I will start. So this is very simple. So check out this one, how it looks. Some egg, some tofu, tomato. This is simple soup. But this is my favorite. Sometimes you can boil some noodle and put this one over. You have the noodle soup. Thank you for watching. See you next time.